My video is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that come from the site Vnhs.xyz. Vnhs.xyz is truly a deceptive website that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It is presented as some Chrome update. However, all these pop-ups are absolutely fake. They are not related to any decent Chrome updates. In fact, they are not related to Google Chrome or any other browser. These pop-ups try to force people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. These extensions may operate as adware, they may operate as browser hijackers, and if installed, they start making a lot of troubles for people. People may see a lot of ads popping up. When they submit some search queries, they may also notice that their search engine got changed. It may depend actually on certain geographical settings. For instance, right now we get the results by Bing. Sometimes the results are delivered by Yahoo or by some other search engines not chosen by us. Anyway, it's all the result of these pop-ups and the extensions that they promote. So you need to get rid of all such extensions. Access the menu of the Google Chrome, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. When you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them. Finally, I recommend researching your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.